Progress. It's about 4 days to clear on this bitch. 4 days. I don't even count coats. If you count it in coats, it's probably about 16, about 4 a day. And that bitch smooth as glass. That bitch shining like a motherfucker. See the whole background. Just getting the ceiling up. Just got these 3 to do. 1, 2, 3. Got the diamond done. Just got to put the LED in there. I got that side done. TV is up, the flip down. On this side, fireplace fixed. That's back up. This how this side of the ceiling gonna be. Nice and closed in. Give you a little better shot. Got the diamond. That part over there is up. Just gotta do some paint touching up. But that's how the other 3 gonna be. Just like that. Yeah, that's nice and closed in. That's how it's gonna be all around the whole ceiling. Flip down up on this side. Fireplace up. Flip down up on the other side. Fireplace down at the bottom is just covered up right now with that wood sitting there. Yes, sir. Working it out. Gotta do this whole side, that back side, and these 1, 2, 3, the one in the back. We rolling. Plugs in. That plug is in. All the lights is on the switch, on this one switch. Gotta do the other 3 lights. Oh man, do that back part. I'm getting there. One of the games sitting up there just for mock up. Yeah. Gotta get 4 more of them corner pieces. That look nice though. I like that. It's killing it. I got 4 more of them going on this one right here, on that opening right there. And got the piece of glass up in there. Painted on the other side to make it look like it's just black glass tinted. Got that up in there on the separation of the rooms. Had a piece left after I fixed the fireplace. What I'm gonna do with this? That's what I did with it. Sweet. Sweet. Yep. That ceiling is coming along, boy. Oh, that shit gonna be beautiful. 3 more to do. 2 flip down on your ass. It's the 2 flip down. 1, 2.